Good evening, and thank you for joining us. My name is Eris Vaughn, and I'm a student at Troy University. Question: have you ever wished that you had a surefire blueprint for obtaining much needed funds for a special project or venture? How about a grant? Well, if so, today's your lucky day. The first critical step in obtaining a grant, though, is in having your grant proposal accepted for review. Today we will be receiving valuable information to accomplish exactly this. Our special guest is Dr. Barrett Vaughn, the author of Reviewer Focused Grant Writing, Making the Vision Plain so the Reader Can Run. Raised in Detroit, Michigan, Dr. Vaughn grew up growing fruits and vegetables in his grandparents' backyard. He also was a great admirer of George Washington Carver, the co-founder of Tuskegee University. So it's quite ironic and interesting that years later he would serve as the assistant professor over the George Washington Science Experiment Station in the College of Agriculture, Environment, and Nutritional Sciences at historic Tuskegee University. Along with agribusiness and other areas of agriculture, one of Dr. Vaughn's many areas of expertise is in grant writing and grant review. Since joining Tuskegee University in 2003, Dr. Vaughn has been a very successful grant awardee, amassing over $1.3 million in grant awards from such agencies as the United States Department of Agriculture and the National Science Fund. This does not include the many grants that he received as a graduate student while at school at Penn State University and Michigan State University. Dr. Vaughn has also served on numerous grant review panels as both panelist and panel manager. These college and career experiences were the impetus that led him to write his very much acclaimed how-to guide. During his presentation today, Dr. Vaughn will outline the important steps in creating an attention-grabbing grant proposal that will be much more likely to be accepted for grant review and, of course, the ultimate goal of being awarded a grant. So with no further ado, please help me welcome Dr. Barrett Temple Vaughn, Assistant Professor at Historic University, Tuskegee University, a prolific grant awardee, and a grant panelist and grant manager. Thank you.